Hi everyone, and welcome to Authentic Traditional Chinese Medicine. Today, we are diving into a fascinating and incredibly practical concept from traditional Chinese medicine, the idea of yin. While it might sound mysterious, understanding yin can be a game changer for your daily health and well-being. In simple terms, think of your body as a microcosm of the universe. We all have yin and yang energies. Yang is the active, hot, and bright part of you, like the sun, daytime, and fire. It's your energy, metabolism, and vitality. Yin is the calm, cool, and nourishing part, like the moon, nighttime, and water. It's what lubricates, moisturizes, and cools your body, including your blood, body fluids, and tissues. For optimal health, these two energies must be in balance. But in our modern, fast-paced world, many of us are living in a state of yin deficiency. It's like a car engine running on low oil. In TCM, there is a specific school of thought called the Yin-Nourishing School, founded by the master physician Zhu Danxi. He observed that because of overwork, stress, and busy lifestyles, yang is often in excess, while yin is often insufficient. This is the core reason for many chronic illness today. So, how do you know if your yin is running low? Look for signs of dryness and heat, including night sweats, hot flashes, dry mouth, chapped skin, or feeling restless and anxious. These are all your body's signals that it needs to be cooled and hydrated from the inside out. The good news is you can start nourishing your yin today. The Yin Nourishing School emphasizes using food as medicine. Focus on moistening and cooling foods like pears, apples, grapes, cucumbers, tomatoes, blueberry, blackberry, and Chinese goji berries. These foods are packed with fluids and nutrients that directly replenish your yin. Cut back on spicy, greasy, fried, and roasted foods. Think of these as adding fuel to an already overheated fire. In TCM, we believe in following the Tao, living in harmony with the natural rhythm of life. This is especially true for your sleep cycle. The daily flow of qi and blood in your body's meridians follows a natural clock. A regular sleep schedule is a perfect expression of yin and yang balance. Go to bed early. Aim to be in bed before 11 p.m. This is when your body enters its deep yin state, allowing it to regenerate and repair. Long-term late nights and the lack of sleep will directly damage your yin and deplete your essence. Avoid excessive sweating. You might not think of sweat as something to control, but TCM holds that yang adds to yin to create sweat. This means sweat is a result of your energy acting on your precious body fluids. Excessive sweating from intense workouts or hot weather can lead to a significant loss of yin. So, be mindful of your body's signals and avoid pushing yourself to the point of exhaustion. Now, let's talk about the deeper, more spiritual way to nourish your yin. The Yin Nourishing School believes that excessive emotions and desires can create internal heat, which burns up your yin. Practice stillness. Try listening to calming, gentle sounds like rain or slow flowing stream. These sounds help quiet your mind and reduce the mental chatter that depletes your energy. Enhance your practice. During meditation or quiet contemplation, try a technique from Qigong. Place your tongue against the roof of your mouth. This is believed to stimulate the salivary glands and promote the flow of jade fluid. Swallowing this fluid helps to nourish the yin within. Practice moderation. Be mindful of your desires, not just for material things, fame, or constant stimulation, but also for sexual activity. In TCM, sexual fluid is considered a form of jing or vital essence. a core component of yin. Excessive sexual activity, especially without proper rest, will directly deplete this essence. So, you see, nourishing your yin isn't just about what you eat. It's a comprehensive lifestyle that asks you to slow down, listen to your body, and cultivate a sense of your inner peace. It's about consciously choosing stillness and moderation in a world that constantly pulls you in the other direction. I hope this has given you a new perspective on health and wellness. What's one thing you can do today to nourish your yin? Share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.